This is the euro yen on the 60. We have an AB equals CD pattern that has come down into a level of structure, and we have formed a double bottom. So let's just go ahead here and do the higher time frame analysis and take a look at this. So there isn't a great deal here, if I'm honest, other than the fact that the market is moving lower. I'm going to put a structure level on where the market has come into. We're going to look left, and there is nothing here on the dailies, so let's go to the 240, and this is a key level of structure for me right here. Now pay attention though, we have this big wick up here, and then just below it we have the lower level, which is the closes of the candles. Let's look left for structure, and still nothing there. Let's go to the 60, and here on the 60 we actually have, I think it was the 240 actually, one second, yeah, here we have an AB equals CD pattern looking like this, coming down into that zone. Let's go to the 60. I actually took it, sorry, it was here on the 60, I took it from that point. Let me just redo that again, duplicate it, move it down, and you can see we've now come into that zone. We have got the RSI that went oversold here at around 12, and if we look left for structure based on that third test, we actually have to go very far to the left. But first of all, okay, that third test didn't really come in anywhere there, but we do have some historic structure. It is a fair distance off to the left. Just keep going, where is it, where is it? Okay, the third one, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, it is historic, but nevertheless we have seen reactions at that zone. Okay, so we've got an AB equals CD pattern coming into an area that's been tested multiple times. We can throw some fibs on, see if there's any fib confluence down there, and we have a lovely 1618. Now I do love it when we see the 1618 inversion and the 1414 extension. This is the highest probability AB equals CD pattern for me, and wouldn't you know it, right there we have also a, I'm going to move it over here, 1414 as well. So I'm going to remove that structure level, and you can see that we have now come into those zones, and what we're noticing now is that we're seeing the market stall. We're seeing indecision at this point. Let's drop to the 15, and we already have a valid double bottom opportunity just here. So the RSI went oversold just here ridiculously at 7 with a huge amount of divergence. We then have, which is here, sorry, 1, 2, we then had a confirmed break above, close above, and a pullback. So you can look now for a 2618, so you buy the 61.8 fib up. Now what I would say is just oh, look at that, do we have a harmonic move there as well? Guys, look at that harmonic move there as well. Lovely, really nice confluence. I'm actually just going to leave that over here. So in terms of the stop then, I'm actually going to give this, the ATR is 9, and I want to be under the lowest point. I've given it 10. I'm going to go ahead here and give it another 3 pips, because we could see a little head and shoulders that forms here. Because we've not tested that 1414, we could see a little pop to the downside, which creates a head and shoulders on the 5. Let's just go and take a look at it on the 5. Doesn't look like it, if I'm completely honest, but I'm just going to allow for a little bit more because of that 1414 not being tested. Target's very simple, they're fib based, so we're going to look for that 38.2. 38.2, and I just need to make sure I have positioned this correctly. Yep, positioned correctly. And what is now the reward to risk? Well, I'm just going to clear these fibs up a little. We are now looking at 29 for 37, and I am front running by a full 4 pips. Just make sure that everything is in the right position. So a lovely AB equals CD pattern, a harmonic move, the RSI oversold, a double bottom, multiple tests of this structure level as well. And we're back for the update on this trade, and what a shame, what a bad way to end the week. It lost. We just saw a big old red candle. I don't know what else to say. 2AB equals CD patterns, fib confluence, a harmonic move, the RSI, a retest structure. We're out, -29.